this is how to fix Instagram message swipe reply is not working. So let's get into it and fix this error by using the two methods. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your Play Store and then search here for your Instagram and check that if any update is available for your Instagram app, then you have to just update it. So right after updating your Instagram, you have to just check that if the swipe message reply is working or not. And you can see that now it is working in my case. So if this method not work for you, then you have to just move to the next step. For this, you have to just click on your profile icon at the bottom right and then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Now click on the settings and then click on the help. Now click on report a problem and again click on report a problem without shaking. So once you are here, click on include and continue. And here you have to just make a short description that hello Instagram support team. I am facing the problem that message swipe reply is not working in my account. So please help me to fix this error as soon as possible. And then you can also upload the screenshot of your chat. Once you're done, you have to just click on the send. Within 24 to 48 hours, the Instagram support team will contact you and your problem will be fixed. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a big help for you. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.